One of the most annoying things for me is when I'm done with my session and it's a day where I never necessarily prepare or meal prep or plan out what I would have for lunch, and then I'm scrambling trying to figure out what to get that has the right amount of protein and is just right for me after my workout. And then on top of that, I'm tired after that session. I don't have the energy to be scrolling trying to find recommendations and all of that. But since lately I've been using Karpo AI, and this is basically something that I just use through iMessage. It's not another app that I needed to download, so I was so happy about that, because that is another annoyance. The fact that I could just go in iMessage and just have a conversation, be like, hey, you know, and I just get recommendations, a breeze. It's super user friendly, not to mention it's actually free. I just went ahead and sent Karpo a message, and then afterwards I sent my location. Karpo just go ahead and pretty much find any hidden gems that are in the area and send the top suggestions. So you don't need to go through the hassle of trying to find reviews. Karpo does all of that for you. So convenient, and I love the fact that there is no need to download an app or anything like that. I actually dropped the link if you guys want to go ahead and use Karpo. It's in my description box. It's the first link in my description box. And yeah, I'm good.
We have the brown rice bowl. Do you want to add any meat?
Can I like add some spice to it?
Yeah, I think maybe some hot sauce.
Okay.
Should be running about 5-10 minutes.
Okay, that's fine. Meal is secured. It is so hot too. It's the first time I'm genuinely finding this place. It smells so good, guys. Alright, so they gave me 3 different sauces, and I tried the yellow one and it tastes good so far. I'm not gonna put this all over the food, but let's taste spicy. It's sweet but very spicy. Karpo definitely did its thing. It's also perfect if you're traveling, you can't be bothered with making an itinerary and want to check out new places. It's gonna come in clutch to assist you with finding good places without even having to go through reviews. Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm starting to vlog off. We're here grabbing a bite at the Michael Jordan Restaurant. Just got a Caesar salad and some sweet potato fries, a French 75, and yeah, this is what I'm feeling for. You might get wings. So this is the second time I'm actually coming to this spot. This is pretty basic, but the grilled chicken actually tastes good. And some sweet potato fries. Can I go wrong? With sweet potato fries. They have this side, which is more like a sports bar, and then they have a next side that's like a steakhouse. Yeah, steakhouse. I don't want to include every still. This is dinner. Another flavor. It's definitely tastes good. I'm gonna check them out at them. I'm gonna check your wings them.
Jordan. It's a way of earbud. Earbud. They're not hitting. It's not even reach the neck, the wood. Not even a base.
I'm gonna check it out.
1.
Alright, guys.
1.
I'm gonna give the salad I give it a 8. Salad not bad. It's a Caesar salad. It's a Caesar salad, not special. You know, it's a Caesar salad. Let's vlog with my Extra Edge Pro. Ooh, we're gonna grab some food. We have an egg from morning, so it's just a quick little avocado toast. It's gonna take a minute before we get to the spot, but I just I'm always so gagged by how good the upgraded quality of the Edge Pro is. Upgraded stabilization. It has 2 extra modes, a human subject tracking and a night view mode, so it's great in low light conditions as well. Perfect vacation camera because it's waterproof, we know this. But the thing that I love most about it is that it has its own internal storage, and you do have the option to still add the SD card. actually reservations, but we never make any reservation. It was just kind of like a spontaneous pick. As I said, we saw it and then we're like, oh, let's go now. So we're at the bar. Luckily, they had 2 seats left, only 2. So.
Oh, it comes with glasses as well? 2 kinds. Alright.
Punch and lychee martini. Alright. Which one you get?
May I get Senkash? No, I'm getting a Senkash.
I'll get the coconut lychee martini. Yeah. Guys, this is the coconut lychee martini.
Yeah.
It is good, but it's strong. Like if you want to get lit off one drink. Let's see what this is giving. No, it's good. I tell them not too much fat because that be a pet peeve. When you get the jerk pork and have your fat dip on it. I don't eat the fatty part of the pork. So I appreciate you guys. Coconut curry. Thank you. Curry and your pork is oxtail, rasta pasta, curry oxtail. Whenever I eat curry oxtail, you know, it's not bad. That's good. That's good. Yeah, they put that is falling off the bone. And it's seasoned. We're back, so somebody can wait back home now. Oh, on the road. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. They actually gave this to us, guys. And the house is actually good. It's very refreshing. Everything here, you can get lit off one drink. Camera been really good. Like, I enjoy vlogging with it. It's really small, just like, well, not as small as the extra muse, but it's still really small. So I really like that. But yeah, we're about to leave. We might want to go grab something at the mall real quick because this is right beside, well, near Bloomingdale's, SoNo Mall. So we're just going to head over there. But this was really a vibe. They actually have a DJ setting up down here. So yeah, I mean weekend at a lot of these places is really lit. But yeah, we had a time. And that's the wrap, guys. It's still daylight. Well, that's a good thing about summer here.
Yeah, one guy knows that.
I did this so? No, I yes so.
They can't go through that door. Parking there, see him.
Guys, it's such a oh right there, see me. Really, customer service 10 out of 10. The food was really good, and they have a vibe. And the fact that they have a DJ, but you know that's like weekend vibes with a lot of places, something like that. And I'm actually introducing this karaoke series, so we might be back for that. See the spontaneous run them always good, because this was spontaneous. It wasn't like something we would know, so I go like check out here from yesterday, because had I known I probably would have, you know, get a little cutesy. But I just be like, yo, do you want some good Jamaican food? And I was like, Divine mentioned the place here, and I was like, okay, let's go. Anyways, now we're gonna go over by the mall. Gonna go to Bloomingdale's, so let's go.
Yeah.
It's different different from the. Wait, can I get a tester, please?
Oh, yeah, hold on.
Lafayette Street. Oh, Mafia.
That's
How much is that?
Oh yeah, it's very juicy.
472.
This is Tuxedo Park. I feel like I prefer this on a map.
That's the new one.
That one,
Yeah,
which one?
the Tuxedo Park. I like this one.
This is,
That means I say like,
No,
this one I
this-
really like.
I
the
like it for
unisex.
you.
That's what I mean, exactly.
and this is the new one I gave you.
Yeah. What's the name of this one?
The Secret Gardens of New York.
Yeah, this give more feminine. I like this one.
Lafayette Street.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I like this more for the guys. It's unisex though. And this for the girls.
You want to try?
Yeah, Secret Garden.
Okay, now you're layering.
I'm a Bond girl. I do love a good Bond.
Never fails.
You always get that though.
But they're the best one. Smell it again.
And this is Lolita's.
This
It's very juicy.
That's a
Very
Get Busy
fun.
fragrance.
never misses.
I never get really there. That's so weird. In Zara, we just left out of Bloomingdale's. They have some new Bond number 9 scents that are so good. I do love me a good Bond number 9. So she said they're supposed to have some more coming out. So I'm gonna be back. And they're always like, the customer service down here is always so nice, especially when I go into Bloomingdale's. I'm definitely gonna be back. I'm still vlogging with the Extra Edge Pro. Really nice, right? Really, really nice. But yeah, now we're just browsing in Zara. Tempted to go into Sephora because I want to see if I could get, you know what, I'm going to Sephora again. I want to see if I can get the Denesamarix booster serum. Is that the one, the primer? I really need to get it. Let's see. That one, the water powder serum. Yes, it's still sold out. Why is it always sold out?
It's very popular.
Oh my god, how is that possible? I can't get the water powder serum nowhere. Not the booster. I never the booster serum or the water powder serum. Like what? You know what I love about the Extra Edge Pro? It literally, like with the Extra Edge itself, whichever screen you're vlogging, like you're looking at that particular time when you're vlogging, unless you swipe it up, you wouldn't be able to view yourself. It would just kind of be blacked out while you're recording. But with this, it kind of has this sensor that picks up that you're looking at the screen, and it opens up so you can see yourself while you're vlogging. I don't know if you understand what I say, but I hope you guys are following. It's very convenient. I like that upgrade. I don't think a lot of people even realize. But yeah, so far so good. We smelled some more scents a while ago in Sephora. Nothing too crazy still. Lids. And I say is no, Clarks usually. I must say up the next floor. Why them have a whole scent named Barakat? Not Baccarat, no, and it have the same design. Them people they
Smell like
easy.
insect spray.
Oh boy, that okay. Okay, alright, never mind. But it just like them people are bowling. It smell like ear oil. I'm not telling no lie.
How much for this, bro? You? Arm off, but you know this part.
Yeah, I have something in an arm off.
You want to buy that?
How much?
50.
50? After discount?
After this one, 50.
Why them have a whole scent named Barakat? Not Baccarat, no, and it have the same design. Them people they
Smell like
easy.
insect spray.
Oh boy, that okay. Okay, alright, never mind. Now we're in the shoe spot, sneaker spot. Almost finished with here. Just got done with my gym session and I'm about to go pick up some packages. I forgot to take the meat out the fridge. Cause I know I did want to cook today, but I know meat in the fridge, but I never take out nothing for the frost. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyways, finally, you guys are mounted again. It kind of crooked though. Hopefully it not look too bad. Because this gimbal sometimes was straighten it. Kind of lean, it crooked. Ugh, I really love that. Anyways, me look tidy. It was a very short workout today because got here late, and I just never want there extremely late because I have stuff to do, like I have filming to get to. I was at a point where I was even contemplating if I should come, but the thing is, I'm just like in a non-negotiable vibe. I'm like, this is not about no carnival, this is not about no special occasion, this is all about a lifestyle, not an occasion. And so I'm just trying my best to stay on top of that. I've always been consistent. Like, yes, no, I've been doing this for a decade. I've been doing this for over a decade. No, this year makes specifically a decade since I've been locked into a fitness lifestyle. I started a gym, I believe, August of 2016. Whoa, I remember them when I said 2026 is gonna be like 26. You know the vibe there, 2016, how it was so good, it was fun. Like everybody, I try make this straight but quietly. No, but for real, my eyes don't feel kinda. It's been 10 solid years since I've been showing up to the gym. Well, almost, because if I started August, you know, it will maybe be August. That's wild. That's how you need to be locked into it though. Like, who's counting? Just know that this is a lifestyle change. Obviously things are gonna happen every day, not go perfect. Sometimes you're going to get thrown off the routine. It's okay it's okay as long as you find your way back, and it's as long as you don't take too much long breaks. That's what you need to make sure of, you know. But it's not easy. But anything in life worth having, we learn that a lot of the times it not always. Sometimes it does, but it doesn't always come easy. And so I'm grateful, bro, that I've been on this journey. And if I don't go to the gym, I feel really weird. I feel sick. Like I feel like I let down. It's this mental thing. It's like, oh no, I have to get my body moving. And not only the gym, because there was a time where I was not as in tune with my nutrition. I've always been mindful and I always on my vitamins, and you know, but in tune my nutrition in a way where I'm at least seeing what I'm working on. Like if you're not eating a certain way, you're not gonna be seeing the results that you want to get. Anyway, that was a whole gym chat right there. But yeah, so today's session was short, but it was good. So now as I say, I have some things to go do. So right now I'm just in like planning phases, planning out the content I want to do for like the next month, structure of that, things that I want to do, not just content wise, places I want to go, you know, summer is coming up, all of that. Because last year, you guys know I was outside a lot. I was like at a lot of brand events. I got so many invites. Like last year started, I was like so many invites. It was exciting, but a lot of it was new for me, and I'm so grateful for the experience, meeting all the people I met, you know, going to places I went. It was just like a dream, honestly. It was really like a dream. And so there's stuff that I also went to, like events and places that I was like, oh, okay, I'm not necessarily need to come here, so again, I'm gonna need to do this again. So this year now, I'm just like more mindful of where I really want to go and what I want to do, since I got the run of it, like the idea of it last year. And so I'm just making notes, I'm planning on all of that, because the time is moving. Can we talk about that? Like, how is it June already? Well, almost June, but like May just completely zoops away. Like, you guys know I was down for that 2 weeks, as I told you in the last vlog, and it's just like, wow, the month done basically. So you know, there's a holiday at the end of this month. But anyway, I don't know, I feel like I shut out my mouth too long just because I'm excited to get back a mouth. I'm gonna see you guys when I'm home or something. Guys, hours later, just finished with the chicken. I just doing 4 pieces, not doing that much, so it won't even take that long. You know, standard time should be good. But I clean it up and everything, wash it. Oop. And yeah, now I'm just gonna season it and then just let it marinate for like 20 to 30 minutes. I actually just season the next half of this chicken in curry, so I'm gonna do that probably the day after tomorrow. Yeah, I had a chipotle bowl for lunch. Didn't eat it all though. I only could manage half because that was what I was feeling for, but I did like a much healthier version, you know, brown rice, veg. Just try to focus on mostly that. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna get into now. Oh, and then we can go through the packages. Let's see what we got today. Oh, by the way, I got this cup from the other day. I got it from Blue Mat, and I love it, guys. Like, what I mean, they call this the era flip cup. The fact that the straw isn't exposed is what I really love about it. It's a 40-ounce one that I got, so you know it holds a lot. I have to stay hydrated throughout the day, so like if you're trying to get your water in, yeah, and it's very convenient to carry around because you know it has it at this handle. It's not gonna leak at all. Right now it's filled to the brim, has ice and water inside, and it keeps it for up to 24 hours. It keeps it cold for up to 24 hours. What you want to do, cold or hot, it's up to you. But and it's, listen, today was so hot, guys. It was almost 90. Oh, it's like, what? Then tomorrow it's gonna drop to 65, which I don't mind, but like them something that make people get sick. You know what I say? Like when it transitions to, whenever it's transitioning in the most of the season, it is literally, you have to pay so much attention to the vitamins and what you're eating, and just to stay on top of that so you don't get sick. You can only do so much and no more sometimes though, based on where you are and just like, you know, how exposed you are to the elements, because boy, it is annoying. Today and yesterday was so hot, so something like this every minute I'm drinking. You have to stay hydrated. But yeah, it's in my showcase if you want it. But yeah, let's go ahead, let's just season up this chicken. Let's get to it. Of course, I'm doing everything with clean hands. I'm all out of gloves too, so. But now I'm just gonna go, that just tastes so amazing. I had to taste the seasoning. But now I'm just gonna put this in the oven and let it do what it do. And I'm gonna leave it open just so that it has that little, you know, toasty crispiness to it. I don't want it to be too wet. So yeah, that's it. If you want, I'm gonna just put a little bit of water on this and pour it over top and put it in the oven. Guys, smells so good. I did drain that little bit of water I poured on it, and I made a little bit of a sauce for it. So good. I'm just gonna do plantains on the side with veg. That's it, that's all. Super simple. And honestly, baked chicken is so easy. It's not the quickest, but easy. You know, if you want something a bit delicious, like prepping this from the beginning of the week and then just pulling it out the freezer from in the morning and just put it into the oven in the evening, top tier. One thing about it too, why I never do more than this, because this is what we'll eat in a single serving for a meal. Just 2 pieces of chicken, sometimes 3, but kept it 2. I don't like to do extras when it comes on to certain type of like cooking methods. So like baked chicken, I'm fine with an oven jerk pork though, but I don't like overnight. I really don't like overnight chicken. Get away with fricassee sometimes, but I don't like overnight chicken. I like it in its freshest state. Let me know if that's just me. Anyways, I have this package here from Amazon. Ooh, I saw these. Somebody was like, they were so nervous with me and the knife, which I understand. I was looking at myself editing the vlog. I was like, jeez, I'm risky. Look, all something. But I got this cutesy little shades from Amazon. Sometimes Amazon really be having some really cute shades. Honestly, you don't always have to break the bank for classy. These slim, I feel like sometimes there's some outfits that are really cute slim pair. Like this not really do it right now, obviously. Need to get cute to do the ear and all of them. Something that feet come together. But this slim pair here, yeah, can really set a look off. Obviously depending on the look, but yeah, got that. All right, what's the pan out of the box big? All we have in here is some bone broth. I've been wanting to incorporate, but guys, I know my wellness routine it has so much different levels, but honestly I rotate. I don't do every single thing every day, like, you know, because you can't make your body get used to nothing. But I've been wanting to try some bone broth. This is grass-fed bone broth. It has collagen and essential amino acid minerals and electrolytes, 16 grams of protein, 0 added sugar, and you know, you can dress this up to make it taste to your liking. Now, I've never actually gotten into bone broth, but yeah, mix with it to 12 ounces of hot water, stir till dissolve. Drink or add to any cooking recipe. You know, we know this. Yeah. Oh wait, I got 2. They sent me 2. Huh. I'm stocked. I'll be stocked for a while. Yes. So this is the bag. Love, like the color, stunning. Because I left the stuffing inside because I wanted to keep its shape. If I take it out, it's gonna kind of just deflate, and I don't want that. But it has a lot of storage in here, like the pockets and everything. It's very spacious. It got pockets on the side, on the outside. It has this compartment in the back. Love the straps. Like, I just love the design. Super cute. Ooh, so nice. And I believe it's just this one size, but it's in my TikTok showcase. So if you want it, you know that my TikTok showcase is always linked in my description box. So for all those stuff, and I'll add the Amazon stuff to the Amazon stuff that I show you guys to my storefront as well. But guys, the chicken finished now. I'm gonna fry the plantains and I'm gonna eat this dinner because I'm hungry. Right now you hearing the AC because it's burning up. It is burning up. It is 93 degrees outside. It is fully summer. And then because in previous clip I think I told you guys that today was supposed to be 65, but I don't know, it just changed. I checked the weather, like it updated this morning, and it changed drastically. So today is another burning day, so the AC have to turn up. Jeez. It's showing for some of the days them that it should drop, but me not even have too much faith in it now that switch just happened. You know what I mean? Why it's hot already? I would love a summer where it's just like, you know, go the highest like probably 80, low 80s. I can't deal with the freezing temperature. I can't deal with the burning temperature. Jesus, we just want a little balance, and for the portion of the weather where there is some balance, bear sickness come with it, bear insect come with it. Boy, you just can't have nothing. just you know, on a level. Anyway, I made my matcha from home. So good. Right now, I'm heading to my wax appointments. Have a little bit of maintenance to do. Even though today I want to give you guys like a full day. Because I want you guys to get this vlog by tomorrow. You were supposed to get it today on Wednesday as a midweek vlog, because you guys know that that is like my second resort, or last resort rather. Mondays is really second resort. Last resort is really midweek, unless I'm giving it like an additional vlog. But anyways, because I was waiting on approval for, you know, the initial portion of this vlog, literally had to hold off on publishing it, and so I'm just continuing with vlogging, adding more content, because yeah, why not? So yesterday when I baked that chicken for dinner, I had seasoned the other half of that chicken to curry it, which I thought I was going to do it tomorrow, but because my cooked the exact yesterday, I definitely wouldn't want to eat a second baked chicken. I cook the exact time, I definitely cook today, because the way how I cook in a week, I cook like 3 times in a week, every other day. So I'm always cooking enough so you can serve the next day, but I mean, nothing left over. So I'm going to just cook that curry chicken that I had seasoned yesterday. Today, just have it with some sweet potato and veg. I really would much rather having it with white rice, which I still am at the white rice, but for divine. But yeah, so I'm gonna make that for dinner. I'm also going to clean up, you know, refresh the place and stuff. I was going to do it from the beginning of the week because I had done laundry, but I said no, let me wait until today. So I'm gonna do that today. I have some work to do. Oh my gosh, after this my package we're gonna pick up, I have multiple videos to film. What's new there? But yeah, so I just checking in. I was thinking to go and do my brows and such today, but I'll wait till I go gym tomorrow. I mean, and I like me to go gym tomorrow.
Also on like the red carpet and ask them questions.
Yeah,
I can see you doing that too.
Thank you.
Nominated for a whole
Yeah,
bunch of awards.
she was up for a lot. Yeah.
I forgot who they honored, but I was like, okay.
Yeah.
And you're all set.
Thank you. Have a good day. All right. And that's a wrap for our wax session. I literally just had like a nice salad, but now we're at Buffalo Wild Wings. So I said let's come to Buffalo Wild Wings, so we are just grabbing a quick bite. I'm gonna say something on the menu name Boozy Dunkin' Cold Brew. I think I'm gonna get that. I'm just gonna get some wings. That's it. I'm going back home straightening. Oh, sorry guys. Going back home straightening up and all of that. Guys, this is the Boozy Dunkin' Cold Brew. It's actually good. It kind of tastes like Bailey's. It's nice. But I kind of want a coffee drink, so I already had a matcha this morning. Here I'm having a whole used up latte. Like, this is what, even though we kind of be like this, we kind of spontaneous anytime of the year, but something about summer days, through outside so sunny and nice and bright, it just gives the vibes and the energy to just be random and just pop out, you know. Summer days, that's the good part about summer days. Thank you. Enjoy. And we're done with that midday lunch. You know, carefree. Anyways, heading back home now. Guys, got back home and got some filming done. I am not that tired to be honest, but right now I don't even want to sit down too long. I'm just gonna I don't even want to sit down too long. I just want to kind of get to straighten up the place as I said I was going to do. I actually got some filming done right as soon as I came through the door of the road. And I'm actually using my phone right now because I came downstairs, forgot that my camera was upstairs. When I vlog with in the house doesn't have its memory card in it. So I just was like, you know what? Yeah, this is where I'm going to wrap up today's vlog. Better late than never. Let's consider it a midweek vlog. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to check out Karpo, which I think is personally such a convenient platform, it's the first link in my description box. And the stuff I showed you that I got from TikTok shop, those will be in my showcase. So that link is in my description as well. And if you want any of the Amazon stuff, that's going to be in on my Amazon storefront. Any other necessary information if you want to shop PS Lux lace line for the best wig install, it's down below. The website link is down below. All that good stuff is down below. And if you made it this far in today's vlog, it's only right that you comment summer days. Comment summer days. So we know that, you made it up this far. You made it this far in today's vlog without any skips. Yeah, but yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, like the vlog, share the vlog, and stay tuned for the next one. But yeah, still have there some maintenance to finish up, but gonna get to that. But I'll see you guys in my next vlogs. Until then, and the next vlog might be a midweek vlog as well. Yeah, I doubt I'm gonna be uploading on Sunday, this Sunday or Monday, so look out for the next vlog on Wednesday. Okay, a week from, well, a little bit, almost a week from now. Yeah, so go big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.